What's going on? It's Cheat Code TV, and we're here to show you how to get ahead of the game using this beginner's guide to the VWAP indicator. Let's get into it. If you're a millennial or Gen Z trader looking to level up your trading game, you need to get familiar with the VWAP indicator in your intraday charts. This powerful tool has been used by traders for over decades, and for good reasons, especially technical analysis. In this beginner's guide, we're going to break down what is the VWAP indicator, how it works, and most importantly, how to use it effectively in your trading strategy. First things first, let's talk about what the VWAP actually stands for. VWAP stands for volume weighted average price, and essentially it's a moving average that takes into account both price and volume calculation. Unlike other moving averages that only focus on price, VWAP also considers the number of shares traded at each price level. This is why VWAP is often used by institutional traders and market makers, as it provides a more accurate representation of the true value of a stock. So why is using VWAP important for your trading strategy? Let's get into it. Well, by using VWAP, you can get a better sense of whether a stock is trading above or below its fair value, and this can help you benchmark more informed trading decisions. Now let's dive into how the VWAP indicator works. Essentially, the VWAP line is plotted on the chart as a moving average, with the line getting updated at the end of each trading day. The VWAP line can help you identify the overall trend of a stock, as well as areas of support and resistance. Additionally, the VWAP line can be used as a buy or sell signal, depending on whether the stock is trading above or below the VWAP line. One of the benefits of using the VWAP indicator, it can help you filter out the noise in the market. By focusing on the VWAP line, you can avoid getting caught up in short-term fluctuations in dollar value price, and instead focus on the overall trend of the stock. Now, it's important to understand that the VWAP indicator is only one tool in your trading strategy, and it should be used in conjunction with other indicators and analysis methods. Now, with that being said, let's look into how the VWAP indicator can be used in your trading strategy. First, you need to set up the VWAP line on your trading platform. Most trading platforms have a built-in VWAP indicator that you can add to your chart. Once you have the VWAP line on your chart, there are a few key things to look out for. Second, you want to pay attention to whether the stock is trading above or below the VWAP line. If the stock is trading above the VWAP line, this suggests that it's trading at a premium to its fair value, and it may be overbought. On the other hand, if the stock is trading below the VWAP line, this suggests that it's trading at a discount to its fair value, and it may be oversold. This information can help you make informed trading decisions, such as whether to buy or sell the stock. Another way to use the VWAP indicator is to look for areas of support and resistance. If the stock consistently bounces off of the VWAP line, this suggests that the VWAP line is acting as a level of support. Conversely, if the stock consistently fails to break above the VWAP line, this suggests that the VWAP line is acting as a resistance level. Identifying areas of support and resistance will help you make better trading decisions, especially where to set your stop loss. Overall, the VWAP indicator is a powerful tool that can help you make more informed trading decisions. By using the VWAP line as a guide, you can filter out the market noise and focus on the overall trend of the stock. Now that you know what the VWAP is and how it works, let's apply it to your trading strategy. Number one, you want to use the VWAP to identify trends. Number two, you want to use the VWAP to determine fair value. Going back to what we mentioned earlier, if the stock is trading above the VWAP line, it suggests that it is trading at a premium to its fair value, and it may be overbought. And on the other hand, if the stock is trading below the VWAP line, this suggests that it is trading at a discount to its fair value, and it may be oversold. Number three, use VWAP to identify resistance and support levels. If the stock consistently bounces off of the VWAP line, this suggests that it is acting as a support level. Conversely, if the stock consistently fails to break above the VWAP line, this suggests that it is acting as a resistance level. Use this information to help you set entry and exit points for your next trade. Number four, you want to use it to monitor volume. In addition to monitoring the price action of the stock, it's important to also monitor the volume as well, and VWAP takes into account both price and volume. So if the volume is high during a period when the stock is trading above or below the VWAP line, this could be a sign of a strong trend. Number 5, you want to be able to use the VWAP for short and long-term trading. For short-term trading, you use VWAP to help you identify intraday trends and set entry and exit points. For long-term trading, you use VWAP to help you identify the overall trend of the stock and its fair value. And number 6, and most important in your trading strategy, always practice risk management. As with any trading strategy, it's important to practice risk management when using VWAP. So you want to be able to set your stop loss orders and limit orders in order to mitigate your risk and maximize your gains. In conclusion, VWAP is a powerful tool that can help you make informed trading decisions. By using VWAP to identify trends, determine fair value, identify support and resistance level, while monitoring volume and practicing risk management, you can increase your chances of success in the stock market. So go get ahead of the game and start incorporating the VWAP indicator into your trading strategy. And remember, the key is always to stay informed and keep learning. So if you're ready to learn more, make sure you head over to our deep, vast library of educational content for totally free. Go to cheatcode.com and get started today, and we'll see you on the inside.